How to delete selected audio in AudioMass. First of all, open your AudioMass project and make sure your audio track is properly loaded. Next, click and drag your mouse over the section of the waveform that you want to delete. This will highlight the selected area so you can clearly see what will be removed. Once the audio is selected, either click on the scissors icon in the toolbar or press the backspace key on your keyboard. This will instantly delete the selected portion of the audio and leave the rest of your track untouched. It's always a good idea to listen to the track after making a cut. This helps you make sure that the edit sounds natural and that the transition between clips is smooth. You can also zoom in or out on the waveform if you need more precision during selection. This is especially helpful for cutting small noises or silent gaps. If you are not happy with the result, you don't have to worry. Just press Shift+Z or click the undo button under Edit menu to bring back the deleted audio. You can repeat this process as many times as needed until your track sounds just right. Once you are satisfied with your editing, it's time to save your work. Go to File menu and select Export or Download. Choose the format you want like MP3 or WAV and then export the file to your computer. And that's it. Now you know how to delete selected audio in AudioMass. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.